English Intermediate 1. Interview with a Celebrity. She's Salma Hayek, a famous actress and producer from Veracruz, Mexico. You were born in Coatzacoalcos. How has Veracruz influenced your career? Veracruz has given me my passion and my roots. I have never forgotten where I come from. You have worked in Hollywood for many years. What have you learned? I have learned that hard work is the key. I have also learned to be proud of being Mexican. Have you produced any movies about Mexican culture? Yes, I have produced Frida. It has been one of the most important projects of my life. How many movies have you starred in? I have starred in over 60 movies in Hollywood and Mexico. What awards have you won in your career? I have been nominated for an Oscar and have won an Emmy Award. Have you worked with other famous Latin actors? Yes, I have worked with Antonio Banderas and Penelope Cruz. What message have you given to young people from Veracruz? I have told them to be proud of their origins and to work hard for their dreams. Thank you so much, Salma.